All right, how's it going, traders? Welcome to another crypto emergency meeting. So let's get right into it. In the last video, it's like two videos behind, I drew this right here, and at that time we were just at this support level, and I said we needed to come back to this resistance level, and if we saw a market structure shift to the downside, I was going to take a short, and that was exactly what happened. So if you look at this chart right now, we're on the daily time frame. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, you'd see that there was this pump to the upside here, and then there was this downward movement. So I took a sell back then on AIXBT, which was what I said I was waiting for the Monday range play out, if you watch my last video. So this was that trade. I was actually waiting for the Monday range here. So the market came back here. The market came here with that pump on BTC, and then we had a close back inside, and then I took a sell. So when I took that trade, it was like 8% move, and then I closed it somewhere around here. And what happened next was this pump. We had another market structure shift to the upside, and it was a buy trade. Now I didn't expect that this trade was gonna go this far. Right now it pumped about 50 to 60%. If I measure this from here to here, 67%. Throughout all of this move, I've just been on the stand line watching. On the other hand, our BTC pumped back to this mid-range level, and right now I'm expecting a short. If you look at this thing I drew here, you'll see that the market exactly followed it. Although we had this pump and a dump back to this region, and then the slow grind upward, which was this. So all of this I didn't take. I just left the market, and now we are back at this level, which is the mid-range. So what I'm expecting is back down to this level. Now it might not happen exactly the way I've drawn it out here, so we might also have another push to this region here, or we might just dump right here, depending on how the market decides to play. But one thing I know is that we're gonna have a pullback. All of this is gonna get invalidated if the market continues to go high, and then we eventually break this region. So if we eventually close above this, then it means the market's just gonna continue rallying upward. But I think a time for a pullback is due, and that's why right now I've taken this short trade. And if you go to the 1-hour time frame, you see that the market is trying to have a reversal right here on this major support, major resistance level. So I'm just waiting for New York to come off, and we'll see how the markets react. What I'm expecting is that maybe, or most likely, we might have a push up like this and then break. If we see this break, I'm going to be adding more shorts to my position, opening another position, and riding it downwards back. So all of my waiting period are just standing by the sideline and watching all this move be made to the upside. I'm gonna get them back by shorting this back to the downside. So that's it, guys. Don't be the exit liquidity in the market. The bull market is almost over, and we'll see how it goes from there. So all the other charts are going to be playing out just the same way. If you see this, I'm expecting this to have another push back up, break, and then we can continue shorting all of this back to the downside. The same thing with Litecoin. Same thing with Litecoin. So another push up, maybe around this region, and then back down into the range. It's a very big range, like a lot of money to be made between this week and next week. You have all of this space. have all of this space back to the downside. The same thing with Sol. Whatever happens on the crypto market cap and BTC charts, it's gonna be playing out on all of this altcoins. Same as Pengu. So eventually this is gonna be like a head and shoulder pattern. So we have the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. But we'll see how that plays out. So that's about it, guys. Prepare for a short in the crypto market. Prepare for a short in the crypto market, and let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.